Is your Mercedes E-Class failing to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without your maps and music? Data shows that 80% of intermittent connection issues are actually caused by faulty cables or minor software glitches rather than hardware failure. Let us walk through the troubleshooting steps to get your system back online. Start by swapping your cable for a known working one and inspect the port for any debris that might block a solid connection. Software conflicts are common, so check for pending iOS updates and try toggling Bluetooth off to prioritize the wired data link. If that fails, deleting the phone profile from your Mercedes MBUX system and repairing it as a fresh device often clears persistent handshake errors. Most issues are solvable at home, but if you have tried these steps and still have no connection, you may have a hardware port failure. As this chart shows, the vast majority of fixes are simple cable swaps, with hardware repairs being a rare last resort. For advanced users, testing alternate USB ports in the center console or checking the infotainment fuse can rule out localized power issues. Keep a high-quality cable and a can of compressed air in your glove box. These are your best defense against connectivity gremlins. If the system still refuses to connect after a master reset, it is time to have a technician inspect the MBUX head unit. Was this helpful? Like and subscribe for more Mercedes troubleshooting tips and keep your E-Class running perfectly.